Hello. All right, so for today's discussion, we are going over at least 3 strategies or new ideas that you found helpful in this course. So for the first thing I want to talk about is knowing what I need to work on and understanding how I can improve as a teacher. As a teacher, you're always learning, I feel. You always have information that you're getting. You're learning from your students are learning from you. So it's always a good idea to know what areas you're really excel in and what areas you need some work so that you are able to better help your students and help them succeed in the future. Another strategy that I felt was very useful that we've done in multiple classes now is unpacking and reflecting on the TPE. I think that is a really good resource to use, and it really helps you identify the areas that you understand. Like I know what to do with classroom behavioral problems, or I know what to do in this type of situation, or I don't know what to do in this type of situation. As a teacher, you never really know. You walk into a classroom and you don't know what may happen that day. You may have a student who's really upset that day and comes in upset. And you have to, as a teacher, try and work with that student, get that student to do work, get that student to be motivated. You're their second home, and so you need to be able to help them as much as possible. Another thing that I found very helpful was learning about diverse classrooms. Classrooms these days are very diverse. I work at a school that is very diverse. And implementing different activities that everyone can use and that uses different cultures, I think is highly important. Getting the knowledge and the concept and the exposure to it of other cultures is a great benefit. Then that helps kids create friends, that helps kids feel involved, that helps kids feel like they belong, all kinds of stuff. So I also feel that it is very, very important that when you have diverse classrooms, that you make it a priority to have those students feel welcomed or anything like that. And so I feel that these days it's really hard. I'm currently teaching right now as a long-term substitute, and it's just hard with kids right now after COVID and getting them motivated. And as a teacher, you have to do whatever you can to make those kids feel motivated and willing to participate. I'm in high school right now, and it's just really hard with them after COVID, and they just don't really want to do a whole lot. So you have to make things interesting and fun. And so having a diverse classroom, there's so many different options you can do. You can do projects, you could do potlucks, you could do all kinds of things. So I think it's always important to learn about diverse classrooms, learn your students, know who your students are, know where they come from, know the holidays they celebrate. That is all, I think, very important as a teacher. And those are some of the things that I found very useful in this course so far. And I really liked this course. I learned a lot of different things. Thank you.